Oh, I'm not too much.
If you give me a trouble, my tax man.
Now when I give you that, you go. You are not for this time. This is the best job. You don't like this.